how does your connection, like this ancestral connection, like you said, to Yiddish through your great grandparents and back, and your Eastern European heritage, fit into your broader sense of Jewish identity?
I mean, it's where my perspective is situated. So it's important for me to be aware of that, acknowledge that, and understand the ways that my family's experiences and the lineage I inherited shape how I think about life and how I think about God and how I think about Judaism. So that's really important to me. And there's some part of me that just wishes I spoke Yiddish fluently. Like, what an amazing gift that would be. But maybe I'm not allowed to say this to you, but I kind of feel like I'm still learning how to speak English fluently, not because I don't have a command of the language, but because I mean like Jewish English. Like, what does it mean to use the English language as a spiritual person, as a person trying to live a mystically infused spiritual life? Like there's again, like that tension between veneration of the ancestors and a desire that's so strong to connect to the ancestors, particularly after the trauma of the Holocaust, and then the demands of this moment right now. And I find myself really pulled to the demands of this moment right now. I mean, still balancing between the two, but eager to think about how do I use my language now and my story now to live a God-connected life, an ethical life, a moral life.